Hi everyone, I'm your host Lokinder Kumar, and in this video I will discuss the importance of single cell. As you can see on your computer screen, I have this slide that I made where I'm trying to discuss the developmental stages, the zygote, and we'll also discuss some of the important points regarding the organization of the cells. So I hope this video is going to help you to understand the importance of single-celled organism. And if you like these kind of topics, then please do subscribe to the channel and show your support. In this video, we'll discuss some important facts. Some of the important facts of the single-celled system. The first important fact is our body is made from the single cell. And this particular process is really complex. In 1827, German physician Carl von Baer suggested that mammals, they are formed from the egg. Egg is fertilized by the sperms, right? So let me draw the structure of egg. This is the egg, and it will be first fertilized by the sperm to initiate the formation of zygote. After the zygote formation, zygote is typically 200 micrometer in diameter. Zygote has the capability to form fully functional human body. In case of human, if we are talking about human cells, right? So zygote has the capability to construct 100 trillion cells, 10 raised to power 14 cells, huge amount of cells. And this is important because one single cell can construct the full body. How that happens during the process of development, you have one cell, it keeps on dividing. For example, from one cell you get 2 and then 4 and so on. The process of cell proliferation and the process of differentiation causes the formation of full human body, and it's not that simple. It's really complex. So zygote has different cell types. They are different in their, so zygote can form different cell types based on their cell shape, size, and there are so many other features. One single zygote has the capability to do that, to construct the full body. And zygote can construct every tissue and every organ in the human body. So that is why the concept of stem cell is important, because stem cell has the capability to form every cell type. Another important factor is some cells has distinct structural asymmetry, which is also known as polarity. Because of that, they are able to form polarized tissue, and the typical example is the intestinal lining. So this is also one of the important aspects during the developmental stages, and it is also important that the construction of the body, the function of the cell is not to just construct the body. Cells must arrange, they must organize themselves to construct a typical organ, right? Let's say the example of human hand. You have left hand, which is exactly the mirror image of your right hand. So cells need to have that particular information to arrange themselves to become left and the right hand, or left part of the body and the right part of the body. So this is very interesting, where you not only have the understanding of the division to construct the particular organ, you also need to understand how the organization, how the arrangement of the cells is happening to finally construct a fully functional organ or fully functional tissue. That is why biology is very complex. It's very interesting because of the same reason. You have so many dark boxes that are still unknown to researchers, and the research is constantly going in the field of stem cell biology, tissue engineering, to understand these processes. So I hope in this video I've tried to discuss some of the important facts that our human body, the typical human body, is constructed from a single cell. And the process is really complex, and I hope that this video is going to motivate you to understand and motivate to read more about this particular topic. I hope that this video is helpful for you to understand the importance of single cell. We have discussed, as you can see on your computer screen, we have discussed the developmental stages, just the introduction in this particular video. We have also discussed the importance of zygote, feature of the zygote, and we have also discussed the importance of cellular organization. I hope that this video is going to help you to understand this particular topic. And if you like the video, then please do hit the like button.